My heartfelt welcome to you all to the Paramita TED Talks. Let us start our session by considering the present situation of our society. From the moment you wake up, there is noise everywhere, from your alarm clocks to the cars outside and to your internal thoughts. We live in a noisy world filled with the distractions, and there is not much room for the silence. But recently, people have been understanding the power of silence. First, we don't really like the silence. That's why I fill it with the background music, playlists, and podcasts. But we really need silence in our lives. So today I'm here to say the power of silence. Silence is nature's beautiful antidote to all that craziness. Silence is the distance between your heart and brain. Silence is the sound of your own thoughts and unanswered questions. In these cases, the silence is not really silent because you are conscious about it. So learn to get in touch with that silence within yourself and know that everything in life has a purpose. There are no mistakes, no coincidences. All the events are blessings given to us to learn from. Sometimes we try to make ourselves look big, try to talk others down. We are ready to say everything that can be said to have a stand and position that is of worth. And in this process, we say more than we actually should. But have you ever thought of silence? Have you ever thought you have been given two lips and a brain to think? The main reason for you is to know the right time to talk and the right time not to. You don't need to tell people who you are. Let them find out. Stay calm, say nothing. Let your actions speak. Hearing nothing from you will give them much to think when they want to approach you. You are not doing them a favor, you are doing yourself a favor. Have more than you showest, speak less than you knowest. Have more than you knowest, speak less than you knowest, said by William Shakespeare. Always remember, the most successful people in this world speak less and do more. They look simple, but they have more. And most of us here have a packed calendar and we are busy with that work, schedules and daily other tasks. So your mind is just congested with that work. But no matter how busy you are, take some breaks to find some lonely time. Research has already shown that silence helps you to make better decisions. People make smarter decisions just after meditating for 15 minutes. And the next thing is that when you become comfortable with your silence, you view the world in a different way. Like you are able to interact with them and appreciate them differently. So, there is a musician named John Cage who reaped this benefit and wanted to show it to the people. So, he created a music piece called 4 minutes and 33 seconds. This song is simply 4 minutes and 33 seconds of silence. But John didn't make it as a joke. What John really wanted was the audience could listen to the sounds of the world with the same attention they would have normally paid to another music piece. So what do you understand from this? By being silent or embracing the silence, you are able to be more aware of what's going around you and observe the world better. And let me share something where I got to know the power of silence in my own life. One day I was watching a movie. In that movie, few of the monks are meditating, few of them are silently doing their works, and that was a complete pleasant atmosphere. Then suddenly, a question arose in my mind. Why these monks are so quiet? How silence can benefit them? Then I got answer as silence is 100% important to increase your spirituality. It gives you an opportunity to be present within yourself. As a result, you will interact with your own thoughts and understand yourself the more. Keeping your mind calm is a major step towards achieving the inner peace. For those who meditate, this is their goal. So, Buddhist monks also take vow of silence to quieten their mind from the wild thoughts. He understands the reality of the world he exists in. And I am not saying you to isolate yourself from others and not to interact. I say silence actually has good mental benefits. Like it helps you to refocus on what matters, it opens up the creative elements of a person, and it helps you to have healthy relationships. By choosing the silence, you will naturally listen more and others have the opportunity to share more. So, what it enhances? It enhances your relationships. Words doesn't matter in showing how much you care for a person. Remember Mr. Bean, who is our all-time favorite character? He doesn't speak a lot, but he never left his teddy behind and he has won the hearts of so many people. His actions made us to love him. Words doesn't matter, but actions do. But the truth is, silence should never be used as punishment in relationships. Use it wisely. Hope you all got to know silence can yield more power than the words. So take a silent pause, choose your response calmly and wisely. Ultimately, I say that speech is silver and silence is gold. Thank you.